Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I thought I would try the Cora Crea Crafts mystery package. So this isn't the vintage pack that you can buy. This is a surprise box, so we don't know what the theme is. So she sent a nice note. Coralie, I hope you enjoy your surprise box. And you can visit her on coracreacrafts.com. And so let's go ahead and unbox this and see what my surprise box is. Oh my goodness. Look at this, a candelabra stamp. No way. Oh, that is so dark academia. I've been wanting to do a journal on that theme. Oh, look at these beautiful vintage looking tickets. Wow. Oh, look at these. These are like vellum stickers. Oh, wow. Very pretty. Let's see, get an envelope, more stickers. Oh, wow. Look at this pretty stamp. Like a woman in the night and a black hat. Very goddessy, witchy. I like that. Oh my goodness, look at all the stuff in here. Okay, let's see. I bet you this is some washi tape. It's always exciting when you order a mystery box because you never know what you're going to get. Oh, these are nice. Pretty neutrals. Washi tape. Okay. Oh, looks like another washi tape. Perhaps a wide one. And when you know my neighbor decides to mow the lawn, so if you hear some droning in the background, that's what that is. Oh, this is pretty. Looks like botanical stamp washi. Let's see, there's more stuff in here. So let's open this. Thank you, neighbor, for deciding to start your running lawnmower right now. Isn't that how it always works? Oh, these are pretty. Ephemera, like castle, and an envelope. Journaling card. So pretty. Oh, I like that. And then we have little fragment label set. Oh, so you can write down things on them if you wanted, or just use them as part of ephemera. This looks like washi tape based stickers, and this is more matte. Isn't that beautiful? Kind of like a gothic type of feel, at least to me in a way. I know it looks more travel-y, but my mind goes to goth. And then we have a cute bag, which you know I'm going to be using in junk journal because we use everything, don't we, guys? Aww, how lovely. This cute little ephemera stickers. Oh, little envelopes. Easter. Well, that's cute. It says Eastern greetings, but it's backwards. Of course, you could always cover that with washi tape. Best Easter greetings, again, backwards. But hey, these are adorable. Ah, this one is best Easter wishes. Like some paper. Oh, so lovely. Such a variety of pretty papers. There's a Merry Christmas, herbs, holly berries, potting shed. Oh, looks like a dictionary page with a girl on it. This looks kind of like a Little Women type thing. Paper. all alone-y. That's adorable. Oh my goodness, there's more stuff in here. The bag that keeps on giving. Aww. Tag. A doily. Some twine. Some ephemera. Oh, bunny. I'm working on the Easter journal now, so I could use some of these. Look how pretty. Just little tags and whatnots. And that's it. Well, to be honest, for $25, including free shipping, I think this is worth it. Absolutely. So I am definitely going to let my subscription keep going. I'm going to go mystery because that's fun. And, wow. I love everything. It's different than probably what I would buy, but it's something that I would definitely want to use. It's one of those things that you don't know that you want it until you get it. And you're like, wow, gorgeous. So if you want to go sign up for yourself, this video is not sponsored by them. This is just an unboxing review. There's the information, Cora Crea Crafts. And again, I got the mystery box. And so I got washi tape and stamp, another larger stamp, tons of ephemera and papers, and really nice quality tickets. Just beautiful, beautiful stuff, and sticker labels and twine and envelopes and papers, and a nice day. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and take care until next time. I'm almost done with my Easter journal, so the next video will probably be a completed Easter journal, and it has cool things in there that I've done, like I made Easter egg hidden paper clips. I'm thinking about, I have some Easter eggs made, making them tuck spots and really cool stuff. So you guys take care and happy crafting. Bye for now.